Today we're making banana toast, a fried banana sandwich. What do we have here? What do we need? What is this?
This is bread. This is a banana. This is our spoon.
Yes.
This is a knife.
Wow, yes.
This is our butter.
Right, this is butter. And what's this one? This is honey. All right, ready? Let's go.
Step 1. Take out the bread. Put butter on the bread. Spread the butter. I want banana.
You see, Bonita?
Step 3. Cut the banana. Step 4. Put the banana on the blade. Cut the banana.
And one more. There we go. Very nice.
Slice the banana. Butter the bread. Put the banana on the blade.
We need butter, maple syrup, banana, knife, bread, and a plate.
Don't touch it, it'll be hot, won't it?
Yummy. Go.
When it is yummy.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Yummy. อันนี้แล้วก็อร่อย
And is it yummy or no? Yes.